Let's start by looking at lines. Can you all see this picture? OK, well, we'll start with vertical lines. There are very obvious vertical lines in the houses, the lampposts, and this very tall building at the back. The artist is using these in order to give a sense of great height to objects. It's a method that emphasizes that this is an urban scene, and the humans are really very small, perhaps even unimportant in this world. What makes this painting rather special is the feeling that, despite the setting, this is actually a very relaxing image. What is the source of this contrast? Well, we have this horizontal line going across the sky towards the middle of the picture. This is a key source of calm. It's also echoed in the wider lines of cloud above. These shapes help to relax the image. Of course, we don't want it to be too relaxing, and there's still a small place for nature in this scene. The curved lines of the clouds and sun are in contrast to the straight lines of the man-made city below, and this gives a sense of movement to the picture. Without the clouds, you might feel disappointed in the painting. It would feel very still, as though nothing was happening. It's not just the clouds that liven the scene up. The lines that really dominate the picture are the diagonal train tracks coming up from the bottom towards the middle. They're very dramatic. It's very important to have these lines, because otherwise, without them, you might lose the feeling of energy in this picture. Perhaps there would be too little happening. And it's not just the railway tracks that are important. The buildings in the foreground in this picture look a little irregular. They're not quite right. Supposing we focus just on the form of these roofs and ignore the walls. If we follow the top lines of those into an imaginary distance, many of these shapes are also going in the same direction as the tracks. The shapes stress a point that the artist wants to make, making us look in a certain direction. Now, what happens if we follow all these lines to the point where they meet? It's always natural to follow lines and see where they go, and the artist is clearly using this technique to direct our attention. In this case, we can see that there's a city in the distance. That is where the excitement is. That is where this rather lonely man is going.